teachers and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am very happy to speak about 14th August, the Independence Day of Pakistan. On this special day in 1947, Pakistan became an independent country because of the great efforts of Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and many brave Muslims who made great sacrifices. We are lucky to live in a free country. Freedom is a precious gift and we should always be very thankful for it. We must respect our flag, love our country and follow the rules. So students, we can serve Pakistan by studying hard, speaking truth and keeping our country clean. We are the future of Pakistan and together we can make it stronger and more successful. Let us promise today to work honestly and proudly for our country. Pakistan! Zindabad! Thank you.